Golden sunrise, everyone. So, firstly, wish you all a very, very happy and a prosperous Dhanteras. We welcome you at Care of Mind, Body, Soul for another exclusive meditation on Dhanteras, where we are here to align ourselves with the sacred energies of Dhanteras, inviting wealth, abundance, and good health into our lives. It is not only a time for us to celebrate material prosperity, but also it's time for us to welcome the divine energies that bless us with spiritual and physical well being also. So, let us take a moment to set our personal intentions for this meditation. Hold your intention gently in your mind and your heart and allow it to resonate with the energy around you. So, let's begin. So, first, just gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. With each breath, let go of any tension or distractions. Sit comfortably with your spine, your back straight, your spine straight. You can take a backrest for support. Ensure that both your feet, the sole of your feet, are touching the floor. Rest your hands on your lap with your palm facing upwards. And once again, take a deep breath in. Hold and now breathe out. With every breath that you take, just let go of any distractions, unwanted thoughts, worries, or tensions. As you breathe in, you feel inner peace, joy, and happiness. Now, just imagine strong roots growing from the base of your spine, reaching deep into the earth from the sole of your feet. It's going down, 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 and feel yourself grounding into the rich, stable energy of the earth, connecting to its abundance. Just allow this connection to make you feel secure, supported, and nurtured. And now just imagine a brilliant ball of golden light just above your crown. A soft, warm light that carries the sacred energy of Dhanteras. This light begins to descend gently, surrounding you with a sense of peace and blessing. As it flows down over you, feel it infusing your mind, your body, and spirit with positivity and warmth. As this golden light touches your body, it brings balance to every part of you. Just feel it in your heart, filling you with gratitude for all that you have, creating a space to receive even more abundance that you deserve. Let this light remind you that you are always worthy of deserving prosperity, health, and joy. Now, let's open ourselves to the flow of prosperity. Imagine streams of golden energy flowing towards you from all the directions, which represent various opportunities, financial security, and all forms of abundance. Just visualize these streams merging into a powerful flow that surrounds and fills you. With each breath, feel this energy enhancing your sense of worth and your ability to attract wealth. As you are receiving And as you are getting aligned to the abundant flow of energy through these streams that have merged together, silently in your mind, just repeat these affirmations, allowing them to resonate deeply within. I am open to the endless prosperity and blessings of Dhanteras. I attract abundant wealth, health, and happiness in every area of my life. I welcome financial opportunities that bring security and growth. I am surrounded by love, light, and prosperity. I give thanks for the blessings of Dhanteras and I trust in the divine abundance. Allow each of these affirmations to settle within you, reinforcing a mindset of abundance and prosperity. Remember, Dhanteras is also a day of honoring good health. So now, direct your awareness to your body, feeling the golden rich light filling each part of your body with vitality and healing energies. Visualize this light moving through each part of your body, your head, your neck, your chest, your arms, your heart chakra, going down to your front and back solar plexus, to your navel, your entire digestive system, your sacral chakra, your root chakra, that's the Muladhara chakra at the base of your spine. All the way, this brilliant healing energy is flowing down to your feet, healing, nourishing, and revitalizing every cell of your body. Feel your body becoming healthier, stronger, and more vibrant, welcoming the energy of well being. Let us be present in this moment of receiving the energy of abundance, of prosperity, and good health on the day of Dhanteras. We'll have a moment of silence as you feel every cell, every organ, every tissue, every muscle, every bone of your body is experiencing healing. You're feeling so happy and relaxed. Every cell of your body is vibrating with positivity, forgiveness and kindness, a lot of compassion and love. And now, just imagine yourself reaching a specific goal or a milestone in your life or business. Picture yourself with a feeling of being successful and joyous on achievement of that goal. It could be about health, it could be about clearing some exam, it could be about your job, your business, overall improving the quality of your life, or about harmony in your relationship. Just imagine how it feels to be financially free, to make those choices with ease, and to live a life of stability and abundance. Set your goals and see the goals getting manifested into reality with each breath that you take. and feel the joy of achieving them as if it's happening right now. Now just visualize a protective shield of golden light surrounding you and your loved ones. This shield ensures that only positive, prosperous energy flows towards you and that any negativity is released gently. Any energy of stagnation is released gently. Feel a deep sense of peace and trust that you are divinely guided and protected on your path to prosperity and well being. In this moment, we are visualizing this protective, beautiful shield around us. Imagine you're feeling so proud about yourself on achievement of that specific goal or the milestone, and you are giving a treat to yourself as you are successful at it. Visualize your loved ones looking at you with great pride. Just tell yourself, I'm so proud of you. Tell yourself, tell your soul, your mind and your body, I am so proud of you. You see all your loved ones also being so happy, joyful, and being present in your prayers and your current moment of success. Now it's time to express gratitude. So, in this moment, silently offer your heartfelt gratitude for the blessings of Dhanteras. Thank the energy of this special day for showering you with abundance, health, and peace. Just acknowledge the support of the universe, all your masters, all your gurus, all your angels, all your guides, all the invisible helpers, and your own spirit for all that you have and all that is coming to you now. Let us take a deep grounding breath in and out. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Just begin now to bring your awareness back to the present moment, knowing that you are fully aligned with the abundant, prosperous energy of Dhanteras each and every day in your life. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling refreshed and filled with light. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes with a lovely smile on your face and take this feeling of gratitude, prosperity, and well being with you as you go about your day, every day in your life, knowing that the blessings of Dhanteras will continue to unfold in your life. May this meditation support you in experiencing a true connection to prosperity, wealth, health, and joy. Happy Dhanteras to each one of you once again. This meditation is open for everyone because everyone deserves that abundance. So feel free to share with your loved ones and do share your experience in the comment section of this guided meditation. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye bye.